how to go from whoa to low. The as above, so below principle can be a mind-splitting idea. Our farting, belching, orifice gushing, hating, loving, and all things in between selves don't seem to resemble anything even remotely close to that rather scary, pretty big vastness out there. It's tricky being a meat puppet here down on Earth, but when you start recognizing the fact that there's no difference between who, how, and what we are, and the things around us, it starts getting a whole lot easier and a whole lot more fun. Instead of striving and struggling with getting up there, by seeing that there is simply no separation between all those planets whizzing around and universes being created and the dust of stars being sucked into black holes, and all that overwhelmingly beautiful, but frankly, no matter how we see it, just unobtainable vastness and little old us, we not only stop feeling like we're not getting it, we start seeing the results of how we create things. Frankly, I like being my farting, belching, often brash self, and find it impossible to really dig floating around, disintegrated into some calmness, some loving, massive, and to my mind, though benign, rather annoyingly unjudgmental and personality-less uber-ether being. This ego clinging in the face of the almighty over-awesomeness is exactly what stops us from getting there. And in frustration, causes us to totally slack off on the spiritual side of things. But there you go, our ego clinging is unlikely to ever disappear, and in reality, I don't really want it to. But if also, like me, you want to experience the reality that you really can have it all, the high of being low, a human being diving into the real gushing joy of happiness right here on Earth, then read on. The first step in bringing the overwhelming whoa of the universe to the so-called lower realms of your personal world is the simple act of acknowledging the things around you as yourself and cleaning up your act.